you cool cats and kittens. Today I have a special request from Sabrina Violi. She requested that I draw a bouquet of flowers with a colorful bird on it. So I did my best to accomplish this request. It was a very creative one, so let's get started. What you will need for this drawing is a pencil, an eraser, crayons, and marker, or any other type of coloring materials you want to use, color pencils, pastels, watercolor. First, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a long oval diagonally on your page. Just like that. This is going to be the body, the head, and the tail of the parrot. So I'm going to divide each part by doing some ovals within this big oval. So I'm going to do the oval for the tail, oval for the body, oval for the head. Notice how the oval gets bigger and bigger as it goes towards the tail, because the tail is the longest, and then the body, and then the head is the smallest part of the parrot. The next thing we're going to do is draw the shape for the wings. We're just going to draw triangles connected to this oval. Now what we're going to do is draw a skinny oval down here, and that's going to be where the bouquet of flowers are going to be drawn. And then I'm going to draw a big oval here because that's where all the flowers are going to be on the bouquet. So now that we have all of our basic shapes drawn out, I'm going to start doing some details now in some of these shapes. So the first area that I want to start drawing some detail is going to be in the wings, because the wings are a really big part of the parrot, the biggest part of the parrot, and so I really want to spend time on showing you how to design them. So the first thing you're going to do is draw some lines going out this way, and then also on the opposite side. So whatever you do on this wing, you're going to do on the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to draw the same thing over on the other side, almost like a rainbow. We're going through the parrot. We're not going to draw in here though. We're going to stop here and then continue on this side. Cool. Start designing the feathers within the wing, because there's lots of different feathers, lots of different shapes and sizes. So the feathers on near this line are going to be small, and they're going to get bigger as they go down. Same thing on this side. You're going to draw the feathers small, and then they're going to get bigger and bigger as they go this way. Now that we have all of our feathers on the wing, I'm going to start drawing the feathers in the tail, which are going to be even longer feathers, but there's not going to be as many as in the wings. Now I'm going to start drawing the head. So the parrot's head is not facing us, it's facing this way because that's where the parrot's flying. So we're going to draw the head so that it's looking this way, up into the right corner. Now that we have all the detail drawn on the parrot, now we're going to draw the detail in the bouquet. So first I'm going to draw the talons so that it shows that the bird is holding on to the bouquet. And then once I draw the talons connected to the flowers, you are basically going to draw lines going this way, go that way, and then this way. Draw a bunch of lines, and then over here you want to draw a bunch of different types of flowers. So whatever types of flowers you want in your bouquet, it's up to you. Now that we have everything drawn, I'm going to go over everything in marker. Now that I have everything markered, I'm going to color everything just really vibrant because parrots are very colorful, so just go all out with color. Use as many colors as you have. Oof, that was a lot of streaks. But what's cool about coloring it in streaks is that it kind of makes it look like the parrot's really flying fast. Thank you, Sabrina Violi, for that wonderful request. Wow, that was so much fun. I'll see you guys next time.